Bean Boozled is 2 jelly beans and one's a bad flavour and one's a good flavour.
Okay, Jesus.
So the first one is Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti, lawn clippings or lime, rotten egg or buttered popcorn, toothpaste or berry blue, bath or peach, dog food or chocolate pudding, booger or juicy pear, mouldy cheese or caramel popcorn. Wait, caramel popcorn? Caramel popcorn, baby wipes or coconut, skunk spray or licorice.
Okay, you open the rest.
So now we're gonna do the blue ones. Toothpaste or berry blue. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Berry blue. Berry blue does not taste nice. I did not want that.
Kind of tastes like Vicks.
You know what that berry blue tastes like? Buff. Berry, coconut, please.
Okay. Next one we're doing baby wipes or coconut.
Oh, please don't let me get baby wipes.
Okay.
That looks like baby wipes because it has holes in it.
Oh, I don't know.
Coconut. Oh. Baby wipes. How? Why is it?
I'm pretty sure it was coconut. I don't know.
That tastes like, you know what that tastes like? That baby wipes.
No, I think that's coconut.
No, that baby wipes taste like, it tastes like,
Got a good one.
you know what? Baby
Ignore us,
wipes.
spat it out.
Wait. Oh yeah, that was coconut. Yeah, that was coconut. No, not the green ones at all. No, just please.
You either get over and done with. So next one we got booger or juicy pear. I think I know what booger tastes like already. I don't know what drink before.
Just put it in your mouth and then drink. Okay, ready?
1, 2. What's that? Juicy pear, which I don't like.
That does not taste nice.
I got juicy pear.
I
It
got booger.
didn't taste very nice.
I got booger. That didn't taste that nice.
No.
No.
Break.
So what we're gonna do?
Seriously?
Is lime
Or lawn clipping.
and lawn clippings.
Oh,
Can't be that bad. It's grass.
the grass? Yuck.
What? Lime
Ready?
stick. 1, 2, 3. No, wait.
No, stop.
1, 2, go down that. One. Wait. Yep, one. Oh.
Lawn clipping.
It tastes like lime and then it tastes like lawn clippings. It tastes like lime before that.
It tastes like... It's kind of like dirty grass.
It has... Before it was lime and then it was lawn clippings.
Oh,
So,
come on, I feel sick. Right.
now we're going to do canned dog food or chocolate pudding?
Can you please? I can't.
I promise. Just promise.
I can't do it.
Just put it right here. Do you want me to do both of them?
No, why would you do both?
Okay. 1,
No.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't even look at me. Don't even look at me. Don't even look at me. Okay.
I don't feel good. I feel like I'm going to spew.
Okay, what do we do now?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Let me
Use the black beans. It's either skunk spray or licorice.
how do I smell it?
Get your cups ready.
Get it ready. Right? Instead, like a little bite. Lime. I think skunk spray. Oh! I got skunk spray. I can't smell that. I can't smell it anymore. I can't smell it. Can't smell it anymore. Oh, I don't want a long smelling thing. I don't want a smelling one. No. I don't like this one. How are you feeling?
Sick. I want a bar. I'm gonna do like an L factor, and 1 L means not very good, and 10 L's means like awesome. I'd give 7 L's for fun,
And
because you've got like jelly beans and you don't know which one's which, so it's like a little guessing game.
And I would give 100 L's because
No, out of 10.
wait, I'll give it 100 L's because it's a really fun game for kids. And thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch any more links of our videos,
Just press the link down below,
down below.
and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.